Hi, welcome back. Everyone is rushing towards learning AI these days because of the way AI is transforming our lives and the way career opportunities have been rising in the field of AI. In this video, I will suggest three different platforms where you can learn AI completely for free and you can also get certified in AI. Let me begin the list. The first one is grow.google. So this platform from Google will offer many courses on artificial intelligence. So you can see the courses here: prompting essentials, AI essentials, grow your business with AI, generative AI for educators, AI for students, make AI work for you. So these are all the courses that will help you to utilize AI to the maximum level. And this is a very good course. It has good feedback from many learners as well. So this is something that you can definitely try, and you can also get certified, like whatever the course that you have chosen. I will share the link in the description as well. And the second platform is from IBM Skills Build. So there are many courses for students related to AI in IBM Skills Build. You can see here AI foundations, AI getting started, building your chartboards, and there were many courses for educators as well. And you can also get certified here. So this is the second platform that you can use to learn AI for free. And the third platform is from University of Maryland. The University of Maryland is also offering free online certificate in artificial intelligence and career empowerment. Courses for creative people, I will say, like you will see artificial intelligence and business. You will have 6 modules here, and AI for career empowerment, how you can use artificial intelligence to develop your career or to transform in your career. These are all the things that you can learn, and this is from University of Maryland. These are all the three platforms that are offering free online certificate courses on artificial intelligence. You should definitely check these courses and enroll if you're really interested to learn artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching. You will find all the links that I have mentioned in the description. For more such content on AI, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.